Mondoweiss started in 2006 with one person's need to defy conventional wisdom about the Middle East. Today, more than 1,000 people have shared ideas, insights, and humor about Palestine-Israel via Mondoweiss. We've asked a few of the 1,000 voices for truth to tell you why they contribute their talents, knowledge, and financial support to Mondoweiss.
Mondoweiss is invaluable because it provides crucial information and a forum for activists to share their perspectives. There is no other site which covers our issue so broadly.
Mondoweiss is really increasing its impact, and that's an example of how thousands of people can make a difference when they invest in the actions of those they trust.
Mondoweiss is vital because it enables people in the West to hear the voices that have been systematically excluded from all other parts of the U.S. political spectrum.
Mondoweiss shares the perspectives that are ignored or suppressed.
Mondoweiss is a truly indispensable resource for educating and urging people into action.
Its growing influence allows authors to reach thousands of readers all over the world.
Mondoweiss has guts, journalistic courage, and magnificent range.
Mondoweiss is a vital part of my daily
The
reading.
courage of
Hundreds of stories.
A truly indispensable resource.
Mondoweiss is a treasure.
Please join me in supporting Mondoweiss. We need it.
What would we do without Mondoweiss?